In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a brutalism photo effect in Adobe Photoshop. Start by adding a threshold adjustment layer above your image. After that, hold Alt on your keyboard and click between the image layer and the threshold layer to apply a clipping mask. Next, go to the Properties panel and adjust the threshold level to 176. Once that is set, close the Properties panel. Now move over to the Tools panel and select the Burn tool. Use it to highlight the light sections of the image. After that, select both the image layer and the threshold layer together, then convert them into a smart object. Next, go to the Select tab at the top and choose Color Range. When the Color Range window appears, click on the black area of the image, then click OK. Now go to the Layers panel and create a solid color adjustment layer. When the Color Picker window opens, set the brightness value to 5%, then click OK. After that, go back up to the Select tab and choose Color Range again. This time, click on the white area of the image and then click OK. Next, go back to the Layers panel and create another solid color adjustment layer. When the Color Picker window appears, choose any color you want. In this example, I'm using this color, then click OK. At this point, the Brutalism photo effect is complete. You now have a high contrast black and white base combined with bold, solid colors to create the final look.